it was a quiet afternoon in Montana until it wasn't. Just after 2 p.m. on Monday, the calm skies over Kalispell City Airport was suddenly lit up by flames. A small private plane, a sleek Socata TBM 700 turboprop, came in for landing, but instead of a smooth touchdown, it ended in a collision that set the tarmac ablaze. The aircraft, carrying 4 people, slammed into another plane that was already parked on the runway. Thankfully, that parked aircraft had nobody inside, but the impact triggered a massive fireball, sending thick black smoke curling into the summer sky. Now, here's the astonishing but happy part. Everybody on board survived. The pilot and 3 passengers scrambled out before the flames could actually engulf the cabin. 2 of them suffered only minor injuries, treated right over there at the airport. The fire didn't just consume the plane, it spread to nearby grass, threatening to turn into something far more dangerous. In the meantime, firefighters rushed in, horses blasting, and within minutes, the raging fire was brought under control. Now, Kalispell City Airport is not some giant international hub. It's a very small city-owned airfield in northwest Montana, in a town of about 30,000 people. And that's why witnesses were stunned to see that. Locals who were nearby described hearing an ear-splitting boom, like being inside a drum when somebody hits it really hard. Some ran outside to see the wreckage, others grabbed their phones to record the plumes of thick black smoke that was in the air. Now, the Socata TBM 700 that is involved in this particular crash isn't just any small plane. It's a high-performing, single-engine turboprop built for speed and efficiency, and this one was made in 2011. In fact, FAA records show that it is registered to a name in Washington called Meter Sky LLC. No official statement has come from them yet, and investigators from FAA are now piecing everything together, that what exactly went wrong. Now, this could have been a disaster, but thanks to quick reactions from the crew, passengers, and emergency team, Montana escaped a tragedy. Now, for a town that is not really used to of air disasters, this fiery crash will be remembered for a long time, both for the shock of the explosion and the relief that everybody walked alive.